Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to get more tokens on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Monopoly Go is an engaging mobile app game that emulates the classic Monopoly board game, so this offers a digital twist for players. So first, you'll just need to log in onto your Monopoly Go account, and then right after, to get more tokens, what you'll need to do is just play the game. So as you play it, you'll have opportunities to earn tokens through various in-game action. Also, logging in regularly to claim your daily rewards will help you unlock more tokens. Also, check the game's achievement or objectives. Completing specific tasks or reaching certain milestones may reward you with additional tokens. Also, some tokens may only be obtainable through in-app purchases. Also, keep an eye out for special events or promotions within the game. Also, you could complete collections. So Monopoly Go often features collections of token, so completing a collection may reward you with a special token. Also, trading with friends, if the game supports it, will let you have more tokens. Also, inviting friends also can help you do that one. So that's just basically it on some of the things that you could do to earn more tokens onto Monopoly Go. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.